In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Microsoft OneNote. Whether you're working in the Windows app or the web version, adjusting zoom helps you read comfortably, present clearly, and focus on details without changing your actual notes. Think of zoom as a temporary view setting. It affects how big or small things look on your screen, but it doesn't edit text size, images, or the layout of your content. Start by opening the note page you want to work on. At the top of OneNote, go to the View tab. This is where the zoom controls live. You'll see a magnifier icon with a plus sign for zoom in. Click that to make your content appear larger. If things look too big, use the magnifier with a minus sign to zoom out and make everything smaller. If you prefer precision, open the zoom drop-down and choose an exact percentage, like 150% or 200%. This is great when you need a consistent view for reading, reviewing, or screen sharing. Remember, these options only change how the page looks on your screen. Your notes themselves stay exactly the same. If you like speed, try the keyboard shortcuts. Press Ctrl and the slash key to zoom in. Press Ctrl and the minus key to zoom out. And if you want to go back to the normal view, press Ctrl and 0 to reset the zoom to 100%. These shortcuts work in both the web and desktop versions of OneNote when a page is active. If they don't respond right away, just click anywhere on your page to make sure it's selected, then try the keys again. Tapping the shortcut repeatedly will step your zoom up or down quickly, which is handy when you're fine-tuning your view. Use the menu when you want clear, visual controls and exact percentages. Use the shortcuts when you want speed and flexibility. Both approaches deliver the same result, so pick the one that fits your workflow. As you work, keep in mind that zoom is purely a viewing preference. If you share your notes with someone else, their zoom level is independent of yours, so your changes won't affect what they see. That's all you need to confidently zoom in and out in Microsoft OneNote. Open your page, adjust with the View tab or the simple keyboard shortcuts, and reset to 100% whenever you're done. With just a few clicks or key presses, you can make your workspace more readable and efficient. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your improved OneNote experience.